Hello bachcho, let's read this question. And the question says, using the given data, calculate the enthalpy of formation of acetone gas, all values in kilojoule per mole, and the bond enthalpy of the following bonds are given over here. And the sublimation enthalpy of carbon is also given, that is 720 kilojoule per mole. So let us solve this question. And here the key concept is enthalpy of formation, enthalpy of formation in terms of bond enthalpy. Alright, so यहाँ पर क्या है, हमें enthalpy of formation of acetone determine करना है. So let us write a reaction for the formation of acetone from its constituent elements in their standard states. So this is CH3 COCH3. So 3 carbon atoms are there, 3 carbon in solid state plus 3 moles of hydrogen gas in gaseous state plus half mole of oxygen gas in gaseous state gives CH3, it is like this, C, H, 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 then C, double bond O, then C, H, H, and another H in gaseous state. Now, अगर हम इसको simple elementary steps में break down करें, then carbon first goes to carbon gas, then hydrogen goes to H atom gas plus oxygen molecule gets converted to oxygen atom gas, and these three combine and lose some energy, which is the net bond energy of this molecule, और उसके बाद acetone molecule form होती है. So if we calculate the net energy content, then we have to calculate all the energy contents of this cycle. So here enthalpy of formation delta F H is equal to, first 3 moles of carbon, 3 moles of carbon gas में convert हो रहा है, so 3 multiplied by heat of sublimation of carbon delta SH of carbon plus 3 moles of hydrogen are getting converted to 6 moles of hydrogen atom. So यहाँ पर hydrogen hydrogen bond enthalpy will be added. So यहाँ पर hydrogen hydrogen bond enthalpy is given as 436. So 3 multiplied by bond enthalpy of HH plus half mole of oxygen is getting dissociated. So half multiplied by bond enthalpy of O double bond O. Then जो net bond enthalpy of CH3COCH3 है वो डिडक्ट हो रही है. So minus of 6 single CH bonds. So 6 multiplied by bond enthalpy of C single bond H minus एक C double bond O है. So bond enthalpy of C double bond O, then 2 C single bond C present है. So minus 2 multiplied by bond enthalpy of C single bond C. So ये सारे values हमारे पास given है. 3 multiplied by 720 plus 3 multiplied by bond enthalpy of hydrogen, that is 436, plus half multiplied by bond enthalpy of oxygen, that is 495. Half into 495 minus 6 multiplied by bond enthalpy of CH, that is 415. 6 into 415 minus bond enthalpy of C double bond O, that is 728, minus 2 multiplied by bond enthalpy of C single bond C, that is 345. 2 multiplied by 345, or this value is equal to 2160 plus 1308 plus half of 495 is 247.5 minus 1245 minus 728 minus 690, and in total this value is 1052.5 kilojoule per mole. So this is the enthalpy of formation of acetone. This is the required answer, and I hope you understood the concept well. Best of luck.